Welcome to another weekly crypto markets update with your host FD for Fetchai.tv. Now, another week comes to an end and the crypto markets are just as exciting as they were last week. Bitcoin is still leaving exchanges in huge quantities compared to new Bitcoin being mined. This is bullish, folks. Yes, there's still some distance to go until all Bitcoin that can be sold is sold off. We are talking of retail investors who may be taking profits. Nothing wrong with that. In fact, that's why you are here, to make money. Ignore those well-off maxis who tell you never to sell your Bitcoin. So guys, before I jump into the detail of this week's update, please note that this information is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment and informational purposes. If you're from the UK, this video is not intended for you. Please do not watch this video. But if you are from the rest of the world, welcome to our channel. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you are not subscribed already. Now, let's jump into this week's subject matter. In this week's crypto markets update, we will be going through the following items that have taken place the previous week, of course. So we are looking at some AI coins that were ripping during the past week. Bitcoin consolidating within a range that is also within a touching distance to its all-time high, which it touched just a week ago. We also have some updates on spot Bitcoin ETFs from Wall Street or the US. Crypto making some political statements in the US. So let's jump in. Let's start with some AI coins first that were ripping the previous week. So the following AI coins just ripped to the upside during the past week. You got Render. This one set a new all-time high ever a few days ago, and we haven't even got to the Bitcoin halving yet. The Render token went up from around $6.30 sometime during the week to an all-time high of $10.70, which is a new all-time high in its own right during the recent artificial intelligence surge or AI surge, which is just epic if you ask me. I must also confess that I took some profits from my Render, about 30% of the table. I'm expecting a retracement where I may be able to re-enter, adding more Render tokens to my holdings, but if it doesn't come, I'm fine with it. In fact, there is a video that we've done separately looking at some profit taking strategies, whether it will be here on YouTube or on our Patreon channel. Just look out for that. Okay, question for, are you taking any profits at all? Let us know in the comment section. For more on Render price predictions, please go to our channel and search for Render price predictions. A video should pop up and you can try and follow our line of thought and where we think Render will go at the top of this bull cycle. Next, we have Cardano's leading cryptocurrency project in its Singularity Net and its AGIX token. It's also an AI play. This one could be one of the few killer projects on the Cardano blockchain. The AGIX token skyrocketed from around 73 cents to about $1.24, another new all-time high. So as you can see, guys, there's a theme developing here. Most projects, especially from the AI narrative, that performed decently and were not previously overvalued, that's very important, actually created new all-time highs in recent weeks. So as you can see as well, AI crypto related projects are just exploding and could turn out to be the defining factor or narrative for this next bull run. Do you think so? Let me know in the comment section. We also have Fetchai and the Fed token. Regardless of the recent drama around this project, it appears that it has shaken those goblins and is plowing forward without any hesitation. The Fed token saw a rise of around 55% during the past week, rising from around $1.50 to yet another all-time high of $2.84. Of course, it has since retraced. So all-time records being shattered earlier during this bull run, and if extrapolated across the rest of the crypto ecosystem, then we may be about to witness something special during this bull run. Of course, in reality, things don't pan out like that, but it's worth speculating, isn't it? That's why we're all here excited. We also have Akashi Network. This one appears to be in a rush to follow the other AI plays to smash past its all-time high, which it is yet to do, by the way. We are getting very close, though, to that all-time high. Very close. We are probably 20 to 25% of that previous all-time high at current prices, but obviously by the time you watch the video, things may have changed. During the past week, the AKT token went up by about 25% to around $6.22. It has slightly retraced since, but I believe there's still plenty left in the tank as long as the AI narrative keeps running, of course. Then you got PAAL, PAAL, which was another AI crypto project to enjoy a decent run during the past week. The PAAL token also reached a new all-time high, rising from under 40 cents to just under 70 cents. I think it was 69 point something cents. That's almost a 50% increase over a 7-day period, although the PAAL token is retraced since. We look forward to more yet to come from this AI crypto project, PAAL. There are plenty more AI plays that are too many to list on here, guys, during this video. Please do your own research. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, go and do your own research and watch other YouTube content. Now, next to the Bitcoin price, which is consolidating within a very interesting range, which is also very close to the all-time high. Over the past few days, we've been consolidating between $62,000 to $68,000 range. And the longer we stay here, the better, as that could mean the next time we make a run for that all-time high once again, we will most likely slice past that previous all-time high. That's my thoughts anyway, not financial advice. We then move on to the spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. How is BlackRock doing? How is Wall Street doing when it comes to spot Bitcoin ETF? They're behaving like crazy, hungry wolves. Folks, I can tell you that they are doing all they can to make sure they control a sizable amount of Bitcoin that is around. I'm talking of BlackRock here. They are buying a lot of Bitcoin. As of the 7th of March 2023, that is, BlackRock now owns 191,132 Bitcoin as part of their IBIT spot Bitcoin ETF holdings. That's an increase of 29,867 Bitcoin since our last update between 7 to 8 days ago. And guess what, folks? We are just a couple of Bitcoins for BlackRock to flip MicroStrategy. Remember, we called it? Well, sort of. We thought that would take about another 4 to 5 months from 2 weeks ago. Folks, this is just crazy. It's going to happen. By the time we bring in an update next week, if Michael Saylor doesn't do anything miraculous, BlackRock will be ahead of them and they'll be gunning for grayscale, which at this rate, that could also happen by year end. Anyway, at current prices, that amount that BlackRock added in just 1 week is worth over $2 billion. What can I say? What can I say, guys? Apart from this place is about to get crazier than ever before. The rest of the spot Bitcoin ETF field is as follows. So you still have Grayscale with a market cap of 27.49 billion. BlackRock, their market cap is now 12.72 billion. Fidelity, it's 7.5 billion. ARK Invest, it's now 2.55 billion. Bitwise, 1.88 billion. Invesco, 384 million. Valkyrie, 192.8 million. VanEck, 289.6 million. And Franklin and Templeton, 192.75 million. And finally, WisdomTree, they're still anchoring the bottom at 60.12 million. The market cap, by the way, is the value of the Bitcoins they hold within their portfolio. Anyway, so that is how the field is looking. So finally, we move on to crypto politics. I hear Elizabeth Warren and their crypto army are on the run like rats. Why? Because they now have a target on their backs, and crypto-supported candidates are doing well in the Senate and representative primaries. We say long may that continue, and let's make sure that there is accountability from those that pass rules that affect all of us, especially you guys in the States. But the biggest prize for me will be Elizabeth Warren's head. Well, no, not literally. If she loses, whether at primary level or at that actual election. Now, that will be a well-aimed scalp. Any thoughts, guys? Let us know in the comment section. Until the next video, this was your brief crypto markets weekly update from your host, FD for Fetchai.tv. Signing out for now. Bye.